Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Pursley. I am a chiropractor here in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. And today I want to talk a little bit about scoliosis. We've had a lot of questions about this and I do treat it a lot, and most people don't really know chiropractors can help scoliosis. So I'm going to go over two things. Number one, how do you develop scoliosis? And number two, how can we actually treat it? So what is scoliosis and how do you develop it? Well, scoliosis is a side bend of the spine. Your spine should be straight up and down, but scoliosis is when you develop a side bend. It can happen anywhere in the spine. Obviously, this is going to develop a lot of different problems. It can affect your hips, it can affect your mid-back, low back, neck, headaches, sciatic pain, ankles, pretty much anything. It creates a structural imbalance, and that's a big problem. How do you develop scoliosis? Well, there are two different ways that you can develop scoliosis. One-time trauma, like a car accident, a fall, some sort of injury, or repetitive trauma, which can be carrying a book bag on one side too long, too heavy of a book bag, carrying a purse on one side, carrying a baby on a hip for a long time, those type of things. Generally, they develop in the younger years, though. So really what we can do to treat the scoliosis, and actually we can correct it if it's caught early enough, we can get the joints to move better and put them back toward the right position. If you are a female and you are between the age of 5 and 12, it's a lot easier to fix because females generally end up stop growing around 14. If you're a male, you stop growing really around 18 to 21, so you have a little bit more of a time frame. But most of the time, scoliosis develops in young females. If you are a little older, 20 to 35, and you have scoliosis, there's a lot of things we can do for that too. It's to prevent future problems. So the better the joints are moving, the less problems you're going to have. So what I want you to understand is how scoliosis works and how we can help it, because there's a lot more that we can do than most people think. So go to the website, email any questions, or give us a call. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. The website is drpursley@drpursley.com. The phone number is 335-9188, and my email address, the website's drpursley.com, and the email address is drpursley@drpursley.com. So I look forward to your questions, and I look forward to answering those questions, and keep going to the website for more information.